We out here first ice, December 22nd, 2016. Out first time before the new year. Unknown location. Getting some rod stands out with some tip-ups and seeing what we could catch. Guys are getting set up over there. Let's go drill another little hole for my rod stand, tip up. See what damage we could do here. Out for mostly pike. There are also a couple picks in this area. Ice is about 7 inches thick, so it's all good. And we'll see you when we get some action going. You're real. Oh yeah.
Josh got a nice pike on.
Keep railing it. Keep it steady, keep it steady. Don't let tension loose. Watching the other rods. He's gonna make a run. Zach! This is. Keep going. Zach! Can you get me a waterproof glove? Throw it back down, throw it back down, throw it back down. Open it, open it. Never mind. I got him, I got him, I got him, I got him. Yeah. He's on. He's on.
Videotape this fucking goat.
Oh my god, it's a big pike. Oh. Woo. First one on the center pin.
Don't swear.
No one swear, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
No one swear.
This is ridiculous. Oh my god.
That's massive.
Here he comes. He's coming. He's coming up. I see my weight. He's gonna be right under my feet. Right in between my legs. Right in between my. Whoa. Yo, look, he's right there. He's coming under you. He's under you. He's under you. Oh. I feel like a kid in a candy store, man. I love fishing. Look at him. He's right there. He's right there. Oh, there he is.
That's it. Fucking.
Oh.
Don't swear, Josh.
Yes! I saw him come up right to the hole. Wow.
That's